Hi everyone, my name is Grace So and I'm an Angelic Reiki Master and RMT. I will be channeling some Reiki energy to help you with aligning with nature this week so that your body can get some much needed refreshment from nature and from the oxygenated air generated by grass, by trees, by plants, and by flowers. Alright, so this is the card I pulled for you guys. So the angels actually is suggesting that you spend more time outside this week as near to Mother Nature as you possibly can. Make sure you open your windows to refresh your home with air as well. For those who are wearing masks, make sure you take a break during your day to get some fresh air into your lungs and into your body, okay? This will actually help you to feel rejuvenated throughout the day. And if you find you're feeling tired even before you begin your day of work, make sure you get some fresh air, breathe it in deeply, and really appreciate the refreshment that nature provides to your body, because actually your body is made up of the elements of the earth. So you're not separate from the earth. So when you refresh yourself, you are also helping the earth also to feel rejuvenated and refreshed. So if you're ready to receive this angelic Reiki healing energy to help you connect to nature and to your body as a vehicle for the earth, let's begin this healing transmission right now. So I'd like you to close your eyes and take a nice deep breath and just tune into this energy and to the music. So whenever you're ready, I'd like you to take a deep breath, come back into the room, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it out with anyone in your life who you feel may benefit from this healing transmission. And I wish you guys a really wonderful week filled with angelic blessings. And do continue to connect with nature this week and really listen in to what your body needs, whether it's fresh air, whether it's time out to meditate. Just listen in and really connect to your body on a whole new level. Okay, everyone, take care.